In the realm of automotive nostalgia, it's hard not to reminisce about the golden era of cars where excitement and innovation seem to be around every corner. Nowadays, it often feels like the roads are overrun with SUVs, leaving enthusiasts yearning for the return of some truly thrilling rides. Join me as we explore a list of cars that deserve a comeback. Number 1, Toyota MR2. Let's start with Toyota's renewed interest in fast cars. With the revival of the 86, the controversial return of the Supra and the really inspired Urus, it's time to shine a spotlight on the MR2, Japan's pioneer mid-range sports car. The MR2 started small and cheerful but evolved into a real pocket rocket. The second generation MR2 GTS boosted around the 250 horsepower, making it a formidable contender on the track. Number 2, Pontiac Firebird. For generations where there was a Camaro, there was a Firebird. The Firebird often adorned with its iconic screaming chicken hood decal that was Camaro's slightly restyled Pontiac sibling. However, with the demise of Pontiac, the Firebird faded into history alongside its muscle car counterpart. Now, as the Camaro faces a similar fate, it's perfect opportunity for GM to bring back the Firebird. Imagine a limited edition Camaro Trans AM featuring distinctive styling cues and a nod to its glorious past. Number 3, Mazda 6 MPS. Remember the first generation Mazda 6 MPS? This underrated turbocharged all-wheel drive saloon offered a unique alternative to a traditional sports sedans. While it may not have been as aggressive as the Evo WRX, the MPS had its own charm, a sleeper car that packed a punch while remaining refined and comfortable. Mazda's recent announcement about the upgrading the Mazda 6 to a rear-wheel drive inline-6 platform opens the door for the return of the MPS, with Mazda aiming to compete with luxury brands like Mercedes and Lexus. Number 4, BMW M1. BMW's recent flagship offerings like the XM have left enthusiasts scratching their heads instead of oversized robotic tumors. What BMW truly needs is a proper supercar. Enter the BMW M1, the legendary mid-engine sports car that optimized performance and style. With its sleek design and powerful engine, the M1 captured the hearts of enthusiasts worldwide. Number 5, Dino by Ferrari. Ferrari's current lineup of high-powered supercar has left some enthusiasts longing for the days of more manageable, driver-friendly models. Enter the Dino Ferrari that was not all about raw power but offered a balanced driving experience. With the rise of electric conversion for a classic cars, there's an opportunity for Ferrari to revive the Dino nameplate with an electrified race. Imagine a modern Dino with electric power, sleek styling and focus on driving enjoyment after than sheer horsepower. Number 6, DeLorean DMC-12. Last but not least, who could forget the iconic DeLorean DMC-12? With the futuristic design and gullwing doors, the DMC-12 became an instant cultural icon, thanks in part to its role in the Back to the Future films. While the original DMC-12 suffered from the lackluster performance, a modern electric version could breathe a new life into this legendary car. In a world where automotive innovation often feels overshadowed by SUVs and electric crossovers, the return of these iconic cars would be a welcome sight for enthusiasts everywhere. Whether it's a thrill of mid-engine sports car, the nostalgia of classic muscle car, or the allure of futuristic electric vehicle, these cars have the potential to reignite passion and excitement on the road once again. So friends, that's our today's video. If you think this video is helpful for you and it gave you some knowledge about cars, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting and amazing videos. Thank you.